where we will make the changes there. Let's find the designs, add a color. By using the selection, we will only use the selected part. So there is an eraser tool to make a change there. Let's add it. Again, make a shape there using the eraser tool here. We will make the design by the use of eraser tool. This tutorial will give you an idea for the basics of Photoshop. You can learn from there.